Can't see anything. It's currently 3 AM, 10 past 3. I just got changed. Now we're about to hit the road. Okay, for this one. We've arrived in the national park. We've got an hour until the sunrise. We've got 20 minutes till we arrive. What are the odds? Okay, so apparently there's like over 2,000 naturally spawned, natural archways in the Arches National Park, and I have a feeling we're going to see a few. No, maybe one. Understatement. I think we're going to see loads.
Yeah.
I just feel like we're going to just get there. It's going to be like one. We'll see when we find one. Oh, what a coincidence. There's naturally formed stairs as well.
Oh.
We've got to go all the way up that rock. Ready? Emily's holding my bag because my shoulders, I think I'm sunburned on my shoulders. But we're heading back down now. This ledge is insane. And that sunrise was very nice, wasn't it?
It was beautiful.
Was it worth it?
It was definitely worth it. Everyone was coming upstairs through the other side because I think they got lost and they were asking, is it worth it?
Everyone. Is it worth it? Come up and have a look. You're like 2 meters away. It was definitely worth it though. Yeah. If you're gonna come, I'd say come sunrise. I don't know what it looks like in the sunset, but
looks sick. We made it.
We made it where? We've literally just gone to the top and now we've gone up down and somehow now we've made it.
Well, we made it because yesterday we didn't make it at all.
Yeah, true. We didn't even get a hike yesterday. So we did make it. Thank you. What's this called? Arches National Park.
Yeah, it did not disappoint.
There's Zion.
This way, Harv.
Oh, Zion, you did disappoint.
But it was partially our fault, I think. Lack of preparedness.
Preparedness?
Yeah.
Preparation?
Yep.
The walk down is nice because we can see more. We could see a lot, but we're not.
We can also see all the suckers who miss the sunrise.
We can also walk downhill,
Yeah,
which is
nice.
very, very nice. Another bonus about getting up early and doing this hike is probably the lack of people. Oh. You okay? It's probably the lack of people that are here, and then as we're walking down we can see a queue of cars trying to get in, which is insane. When we got there this morning there was like 4 cars there. Not only do you get a beautiful sunrise, you also get a nice quiet sunrise with no one there. So when you do the Delicate Arches hike, which is the one we've just done, this rock is probably the hardest part, going up and down. We've realized going down our knees is quite hard because it's really steep. But after that, you're pretty much fine. So if you can go up a steep hill, or steep rock even, then you'll be able to do it. It's pretty moderate, they said. It's not too hard, not too easy. There you go. Cool. We're at a skate park now. This time got the skateboard. It's been a while. Let's see what I've got. Let's pretend like I haven't been skating for the past half an hour as well. Ready? We've just arrived at a food truck park. There's a lot of Mexican places around here, and it seems like a very Hispanic village just outside of Arches National Park. So we think there could be some really good tacos here, but we've thought that a lot of the time. We've been disappointed. So today's the day.
What'd you get?
I got asada y pollo tacos. What did you get?
Oh, did you ask? Maybe you should ask them if they have this. Oh, they do.
He said, "You want salsas?" And he said, "Hot or mild?" And I said, "Both," because that's what you always get.
Yeah.
Look how big these cucumbers are. What the hell?
Go on, take the first bite.
I have the pollo first.
The proper.
That's good.
There you have it, folks.
We made it. Hello, it's currently the next day. We're about to leave the campsite where we stayed last night. I forgot to do an outro last night, so thanks for watching. Shout out to Victoria. We know you're watching still, my #1 fan. Hope to see you soon. See you in tomorrow's video, everyone else. And yeah, go watch the other videos because they're good like this one. Bye.